Here I'll be replacing the LCD screen for a UX430. This model has been opened before, so it looks a little bit easy, but you do need to use the prying tool to pry and remove the bezel. The top part is locked in by little clips, and the bottom part is actually locked in by 2 clips. So be really gentle and use a heat gun as well if you like to loosen some of the heat, which will help it loosen. And there is 4 screws covering the LCD on each corner. Remove that too, and that's an easy process, and just repeat the process when you're putting it back.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.